Hi students, now zeros of quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus bx plus c. A, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. What is the graph of linear polynomial? Linear polynomial is a straight line touching x axis. If you take p of x equal to ax plus b, it is first degree equation. It will have only one zero. It is passing through minus b by a 0. It will have only one 0. It is cut touching x-axis at only one point. What is it? X p of x. X p of x. What is x here? Minus b by a. What is p of x? 0. It is touching x-axis at minus b by a 0. Now, what is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial will touch x-axis at 2 points, 1 point, or even it does not touch at anywhere. But cubical polynomial will touch x-axis at 3 points, 2 points, and also it will definitely touch x-axis at 1 point. Now, see what is quadratic polynomial? P of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. See what is zero polynomial? It is value of x for which p of x is equal to 0. We have to find the values of x. It will have two zeros because it is a quadratic polynomial. C is equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic equation. How to solve the quadratic equation? How to find the zeros of polynomial? How to find the values of x? You know in next chapter quadratic equations. But I will directly tell you what is the value of x. X is equal to, it is in the form of minus b plus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. And it will have two values, two zeros, plus and minus. X1 I will take minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, 1 0. Sometimes it is denoted by alpha also. What is another 0? Minus b square minus 4ac by 2e. See, this is beta. It will have two zeros. Two zeros. Their zeros are, see, x1 p of x and x2 p of x. See, x1, what is p of x here? 0. x1 0 and x2 0. It is touching x-axis at 2 points, x1 and x2. x1 0, x2 0. But see, the quadratic polynomial is a parabola. It touching x-axis at 2 points, at 1 point. Even it does not touch x-axis at anywhere. But it depends on discriminant. See what is discriminant? See, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. I will write discriminant. What is discriminant? D. It is denoted by sometimes delta d is equal to b square minus 4ac. If you take any quadratic polynomial, or suppose x square minus 5x plus 6, anything you take, first you have to find b square minus 4ac. The graph of quadratic polynomial depends on this discriminant. Number 1, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then zeros are real and unequal. Because the graph of this polynomial will touch x-axis at 2 points, real and unequal, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Number 2, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then zeros are real and and equal. They are equal to each other. Third, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, less than 0 means it is less than minus negative. If we get negative, then it is less than 0. Then zeros are imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers. It does not touch the graph of b square. This graph of this quadratic polynomial does not touch x-axis at any way. See, I will draw this graph. Afterwards, I will take some examples, but I am telling you rough graphs I am drawing. Graph of this quadratic polynomial graph is parabola. Graph of linear polynomial is a straight line. Graph of quadratic polynomial is a parabola. If b square minus 4 is greater than 0, then zeros are real and unequal. Means two real numbers we will get. It touches x-axis at 2 points. See, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. The graph will be like this, touching x-axis at x1 0 and x2 0. Means x1 p of x, x2 p of x. Always p of x will be 0 because this is 0 polynomial. We are substituting p of x is equal to 0. This parabola will be like this or like this. Now if b square minus 4ac, I will take one example. For this example I will take p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. This example I will take. It touches x-axis at 2 points. Now if b square minus 4 is equal to, then zeros are real and equal. How the graph? The graph will be like this. X-axis and y-axis. It has only one zeros are equal, real and equal. It touches x-axis. The parabola touches x-axis at only 1 point. This is origin, you know. It touches at only 1 point, x0, here or here. It will be minus. It will be minus x0. It will be x0. Now the graph of this parabola will touch x-axis at only 1 point. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac, if you take I will take an example. For this one I will take an example. X square minus 4x plus 4 I will take. See, next b square minus 4 is less than 0. Then zeros are imaginary numbers. So we don't know the values of, we cannot, it is very difficult to find the values of x. That's why the graph of this graph parabola does not touch x-axis at any way, because b square minus 4ac is less than 0, negative you will get. I will take an example for this one. P of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. First, to draw any graph, first you have to find discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. First you have to check whether you get two zeros, 1 0, or it does not touch it any way. Now, standard form of cubic polynomial. What is the standard form of cubic polynomial? P of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. A is non-zero real number. A, B, C are real numbers. A should not be equal to 0. But A is a real number, but it should not be equal to 0. That's why it is called non-zero real number. Now I will take 3 examples so that you can understand how to draw the graph of cubic polynomial. Anyway, I will draw the graphs in a graph paper. In next video, you can see the graphs of linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Now, First, algebraically we have to find algebraically I am finding the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Algebraically finding zeros. I will take that example. What is the first example? P of x is equal to x cube minus 4x. I will take this example. First I will find the zeros of the polynomial. What is the zero of polynomial? It is the value of x for which p of x is equal to 0. I will equate to 0. 0 is equal to, I am taking x square, x common here, x square minus 4. I have taken x into x square, x cube, x into 4, 4x. Now x is equal to 0, one of the zeros you got, 1 0. Then x square is equal to 4. Next, x square is equal to, x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now it can be written as x square minus 4 can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 2. X plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. See, x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is also equal to 0. First I will take x plus 2 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to minus 2. One of the zeros you got here, and x minus 2 is equal to 0. You got another 0. How many zeros you got? Zeros. Zeros are x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 or minus 2, x is equal to 2. We have two zeros. Now we can write x. Now you can write like this, x p of x. See, x is x coordinate, p of x is y coordinate. X, y, x coordinate and y coordinate. What is the x? Instead of x you substitute 0 here, you will get p of x 0. 0, 0 is equal to, and what is x is equal to minus 2. If you substitute minus 2 here, you will get 0. Minus 2, 0. Then what is another one? 2, 0. These are the zeros of the polynomial. What are the zeros of the polynomial? 0, minus 2, 2. See, I will draw the rough graph. The graph of cubic polynomial touching, intersecting x-axis at 3 points. What are they? 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 2, 0. Because 0, minus 2, 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. See, I will draw the rough graph. I am drawing here 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. See, this is origin. See, what is the rough graph? Rough graph is the graph of polynomial x cube minus 4x intersecting x-axis, touching x-axis at minus 2, minus 2, 0, 0, 0 and 2, 0. For that one, first we have to prepare a solution set. First what I have to do? Finding zeros. Finding algebraically finding zeros. First point. What is second? You have to prepare a solution set. For that one, you have to prepare a table like this. X, p of x. Now, I will take here 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 I will take. Anyway, if you substitute 0, you will get 0. 2, you will get 0. 2, because 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Minus 2 is also 0 of the polynomial. You see, if you want, you substitute 2 here. 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. If you substitute 0 here, you will get 0. If you substitute minus 2 also you will get 0. Now we will take p of x is equal to x cube minus 4x. we will substitute the value of minus 1 here. P of minus 1 whole cube, 4 into minus 1. Minus 1 cube means minus 1, minus into minus plus, you are getting 3. If you substitute minus 1 in place of x here, this is x coordinate. What is y coordinate here? 3. Substitute 1 in place of x, you substitute 1. 1 cube minus 4 into 1. 1 cube means 1, minus 4 means you are getting minus 3. X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is minus 3. With the help of solutions, prepare a solution set P of x P of x. You have to write x P of x means x coordinate and y coordinate. What is the solution set here? Minus 2 0, minus 1 3, 0 0 and 1 minus 3 and 2 0. These are the points solution set. We have to draw the graph with the help of, see, this is x-axis, horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis will be origin. You take 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 2 3 4, like this you can take. Now you can draw the graph. Minus 2 0, where is minus 2 0? Minus 2 0 will be here, right? Minus 2 0. See, where is minus 1 3? Minus 1 3 will be here. Minus 1 3. 0 0, you say 0 0. Where is 0 0? This will be 0 0. 1 minus 3. Where is 1 minus 3? 1 is here. Minus 3 will be here. See, next 2 0. Where is 2 0? This is 2 0. You write 2 0. This is 1 minus 3. Through these points, we have to draw a graph. Take this A, B, C, D, E. With the help of these points, you have to draw a graph. See, you extend this one like this, and this is the graph of, this is extend this one like this. This is the graph of, see, I drew rough graph. This is the graph of, you have to put like this. It is the graph of cubic polynomial. It is a curve. Quadratic polynomial is a parabola. Linear polynomial is a straight line. Like that you have to draw. We will draw the graph of second graph, x cube minus 4x square. First, what I have to do? We have to find the zeros. Second graph, what is it? P of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square. First, what I have to do? We have to find the zero. Algebraically, we have to find the zeros. Zeros means nothing but P of x is equal to 0. You take x square common here. You will get x minus 4. You verify x square into x, x cube, x square into 4, minus 4, x square, like that. Now x square is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0. First, x square is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 0. Now here only I will write x p of x. What is x is 0. P of x will be p of x, substitute. P of x will be 0 only. You 0 cube minus 4 into 0, 0 you will get. Next, I will take this one of the points you got. See, now next I will take x minus 4 is equal to 0. Next I will take x minus 4 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 4. What is x coordinate and y coordinate? X is 4 because it is a 0 of the polynomial. What is p of x? Anyway, that is 0. When you substitute 4 here, 4 cube means 64. 64 minus 4 into 4 square means 60, that is also 64. 64 minus 64, you will get 0, like that. Now we will prepare a solution set here itself, so that it is very easy for you. This is x p of x. Say I am taking 0, 1, 2, 3, also you take 4. For our convenient, we are finding the zeros of the cubic polynomial. See, what is the zeros? 0 and 4. You have to, up to 4 you have to take, because 4 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next I will take minus 1. Minus 1, it's enough. Say we will find 0. When it is 0, you will get y coordinate 0. When it is 4, definitely you will get 0. Now we will find the next, what is p of x here? X cube minus 4x square. Now p of, I will substitute minus 1 here. X coordinate is minus 1. What is y coordinate? Minus 1 whole cube minus 4 into minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 cube means minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, minus 1 into minus 1, 1. 1 into minus 4. This is minus 5. When you have taken x coordinate minus 1, what is y coordinate? 5, minus 5. You substitute 1 here, p of 1. In place of x, I am substituting 1. 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square. 1 minus 1 square means 1. 1 into 4, 4. You are getting minus 3. If you take 1, you are getting minus 3, y coordinate. You take 2, p of 2. 2 cube minus 4 into 2 whole square. 2 cube means 8. 2 square means 4. 4 4 is 16. 8 minus 16, minus 8. You take minus 8. 3 you substitute. In place of x, you substitute 3. 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square. 27. 3 square means 9 4 is 36. 3 square means 9. 9 4 is 36. 27 minus 36. You are getting minus 9. You write minus 9 here. Anyway, you will get 4. If you substitute 4 cube, 64. And 4 square, 16 4 is 64. 64 minus 64. Anyway, you will get 0. With the help of solution set, what is the solution set here? Solution set. What is solution set here? X p of x. Always remember x p of x. There is no y, but we are naming it as y. X coordinate, y coordinate. It will be minus 1 minus 5, 0 0, 1 minus 3, 2 minus 8. Put 0 commas here, and 3 minus 9, 4 0. With the help of solution set, we have to draw the graph. With the help of solution set, we have to draw the graph of x cube minus 4x square. See, first you have to draw x-axis. You see, what are the x coordinates? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1. On x-axis, you can take x-axis origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. I will take. You see, what are the y coordinates? You see, minus 5, minus 3. On what is the scale? We have to take the scale. On x-axis, 1 unit. Y-axis also 1 unit. Why? Because on y-axis 9 units are there. 9 units. If it is 24 or 23, if I take minus 2, if it is minus 24, I will take minus 24. Minus 2 I will take, you see. Minus 2 cube. What is minus 2 cube means? Minus 8. Minus 8 minus 4 into minus 2 square. Minus 8 minus 2 square means 4. 4 4 is 16. You are getting minus 24. Minus 24 means you have to take On y-axis you have to scale. What is the scale? You have to take 2 units or 5 units you can take, but it is I did not take -2. If -2 is there, we have to take 24, -24. That's why I have taken y coordinates will be up to 9, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. See, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. You see, we have up to -9 is there. You can take -10, -11 like that. Now, what is the solution set? -1, -5. -1, -5. Right, -1, -5. This is x-axis, you write, and this is y-axis. -1, -5, 0, 0, that is origin, 0, 0. Then 1, -3. Where is 1, -3? On x coordinate is 1. -3, y coordinate will be 1, -3. 1, -3. 2, x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is -8. 2 positive, -8. 2 -8 will be here. 2 -8. Now 3 -9. 3 -9. You see, 3 -9 will be here. This is 3 -9. Like that. See, next 4, 0. 4, 0. 4 is the 0 of the polynomial. Here, what are the zeros of the polynomial? 0 and 4. Now, draw the graph. See, A, B, C, D. This is E, F. Through these points, you draw a graph. See, like this. You A, B, C, D, E, extend the curve. It is touching, cutting x-axis at 0, 0 and 4, 0, because 0 of the polynomials are 0 and 4. This is the graph of cubic polynomial x cube minus 4x square. In next, I will take p of x is equal to x cube. Now, what is the third graph cubic polynomial? P of x is equal to x cube. First, we will find the zeros of the polynomial algebraically. Finding zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to x cube. See, is value of x. Value of x for which p of x is equal to 0 is nothing. X cube is equal to 0. You are getting x cube is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. Now we will prepare only 1 0. P of x is equal to x cube, only 1 0. The graph of cubic polynomial will touch x-axis at most 3 points. It may touch at 2 points, 1 point, even definitely it will touch x-axis at 1 point, 2 point, 3 points. The graph of cubic polynomial will definitely touch x-axis at most 3 points. It may touch at 1 point, 2 points or 1 point. Now, see, now x p of x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Now you take you prepare a solution set by drawing table. Say 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Anyway, x is 0 of the polynomial is 0. If you substitute 0 here, you will get automatically 0. Substitute 1 here. P of x is equal to x cube. P of 1 you substitute 1 cube. 1 cube means 1. You substitute 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. You substitute 1 minus 1 cube. Anyway, you will get minus 1. You substitute minus 2 cube. You will get minus 8. With the help of what is solution set here? Solution set. What is the solution set? It is in the form of p of x, means x coordinate and y coordinate. What is the solution set? Minus 2, say minus 2, minus 8, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 8. This is the solution set. We have to draw the graph. We'll draw the graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is origin. See x coordinates, you see 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I will take here y coordinates up to 8. X scale, x axis 1 unit, y axis also I am taking 1 unit. Only 1 unit because 8 is there. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. See, now draw the graph. Minus 2, minus 8. Where is minus 2, minus 8? Minus 2, minus 8 will be down. You draw minus 2, minus 8. You write like this. You take point A. Minus 1, minus 1. X coordinate is minus 1. Y coordinate also minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. This is B. Next, what is the origin? C, origin. D, 1, 1. Where is 1, 1? X coordinate is 1. Y coordinate 1. 1, 1. This is point D. 2, 8. Where is 2, 8? 2, 8 will be up here. 2, 8. D, E. With the help of these points, you draw a curve passing through these points. It is the graph of P of x is equal to x cube. This is graph P of x is equal to x cube curve intersecting x axis at only one point 0, 0.